So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Gemini voice to a female voice. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Gemini app. On here you will need to log in with your Google account. You can see the options like the option to ask Gemini to add something, to record your own voice, and you can even see the options to for the AI to tell you something. So if you wish for it to be in a female voice, you can go to your profile. So up here, you can see manage your Google account. You can upgrade to AI Pro, see Gemini apps, you can see saved info and stuff like that. And you can go to settings. I suggest you click on settings and you can see here some options like public links, Gemini's voice, interrupt live responses, and Google usage ID. So you can go ahead and click on Gemini's voice.
I'm excited to be your voice.
And
If you like.
And once you open that, you will hear a lot of different voices, and you can just keep on swiping until you find the one you like. And you can differentiate between male and female voices on there. So if you open up this, it's just gonna start talking. So you can just hear a preview of what the voice is going to sound like. And if you wish for a female voice to be spoken in a different language, you can check out a video on the channel that explains how to change languages. And you can see here the options offered are even with different regional accents of the voice. So you can really see a lot of different versions of the female voice you wish to add. So that's how you can change it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Google Gemini or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.